Welcome class 11 students. Today in this class I will discuss about the various criteria of investment in the small business in the 2 MSMED Act. Now this MSMED Act or the Industrial Development Regulation Act. So according to this act, Industrial Regulation Act 1951, there are certain investment criteria that I will discuss first, and then I will discuss the investment criteria and the different definition of different industry based on MSMED Act of 2006. So two types of criteria in two different year according to two different act I will discuss in today's class. So first I will begin with Industrial Development Regulation Act. According to Industrial Development Regulation Act 1951, the limit of investment in plant and machinery for manufacturing enterprise. First I will discuss about the manufacturing enterprise. Manufacturing unit. For manufacturing unit, manufacturing sector, the micro enterprise, the small enterprise and medium enterprise. Since it is MSMED Act, MSMED means micro, small, medium enterprise. So three different criteria I will give for manufacturing unit in these three different act. First I will tell the micro enterprise. Here micro enterprise, in case of micro enterprise, the investment in plant and machinery does not exceed 25 lakh. It does not exceed 25 lakh. According to Industrial Development and Regulation Act 1951, the manufacturing sector of the micro enterprise, the investment criteria in plant and machinery, investment criteria in plant and machinery does not exceed 25 lakh in case of micro enterprise. In case of small enterprise, more than 25 lakh but does not exceed 5 crore. More than 25 lakh, that is 25 lakh, more than 25 lakh but less than 5 crore. That means it cannot exceed the limit of 5 crore. The investment criteria in plant and machinery in the small enterprise will lie between 25 lakh to 5 crore. It cannot be less than 25 lakh and it cannot be more than 5 crore. It cannot be less than 25 lakh and it cannot exceed, it does not exceed in any way 5 crore in case of small enterprise. Now we come to medium enterprise. In case of medium enterprise, the investment criteria in plant and machinery will be more than 5 crore but will not exceed 10 crore. It will be more than 5 crore but does not exceed 10 crore. So limit is between 5 crore to 10 crore. Here in micro enterprise, the limit is between 25 lakh to 5 crore, less than 25 lakh. Then in medium, small, 25 lakh to 5 crore, and in medium, in case of medium, from 5 crore to 10 crore. This is all about the manufacturing unit, the manufacturing sector, and the investment criteria in plant and machinery. Now we come to the service sector, the limit of investment in equipment in case of service sector. Here, the limit of investment in equipment here also micro, small and medium. Three types of enterprise are also there in case of service sector. And here the limit of investment in equipment. In case of micro enterprise, it does not exceed 10 lakh. Does not exceed 10 lakh. See, in micro, we can make a comparative study. In case of manufacturing unit, the micro enterprise, the investment criteria is more. It is up to 25 lakh. It does not exceed 25 lakh. But here it decreases in case of service sector, because here equipment needed is much less than manufacturing unit. Plant and machinery is not required in case of service sector. Some equipments are required, and for that reason the investment criteria also decreases from 25 lakh to 10 lakh. Here the investment criteria in micro enterprise cannot exceed 10 lakh, whereas in case of manufacturing unit, the investment criteria in plant and machinery cannot exceed 25 lakh. So you can see the difference of the two sectors in case of micro. In case of micro of manufacturing unit and in case of micro of service sector, it does not exceed 10 lakh in case of service sector. Now we come to the small enterprise. In case of small enterprise, it would be more than 10 lakh but less than 2 crore. More than 10 lakh but less than 2 crore. Whereas in the last sector, that is medium enterprise, the service sector, the last segment of the service sector, medium enterprise, it is more than 2 crore. Investment criteria in equipment is more than 2 crore but less than 5 crore. So these are the different investment criteria. As you can see, why I have made this chart, because this chart is very important for your objectives. So whenever any question may come related to this as an objective or as an MCQ, you may be asked that what is the investment criteria in case of equipment of medium enterprise, or what is the investment criteria in plant and machinery in case of small enterprise of manufacturing unit. So 6 types of objective or even more than that can come from these investment criterias. So as per the Industrial Development and Regulation Act 1951, this is the chart to be followed in case of the two sectors, manufacturing sector and service sector. Manufacturing sector and service sector. We know that in manufacturing sector, investment in plant and machinery is there, whereas in service sector, the investment in equipment is there. Now, equipment required in service sector is much less. The investment in the equipment of service sector is much less than the investment in manufacturing sector, in the plant and machinery, in the purchase of plant and machinery or replacement of any asset is much more in manufacturing sector, because here the assets requirement is more than the service sector. So if you make a comparative study, you can see that the investment is much more in the different enterprises of manufacturing sector than the service sector. The service sector is having much less investment than the manufacturing sector in different enterprise. I am talking about a comparative study I have given. In my next class, I will talk about the MSMED Act, the enactment of MSMED Act 2006, and as per that, the different definitions of the small scale, ancillary, small scale, export oriented industries, then tiny industries, micro enterprise, small service, khadi and village industry, various type of industries are there. So in my next class, I will talk about that. So till then, goodbye.